Hello viewers, welcome to Needle Online. Today we are going to see 9 designs in regular and fancy wear dress materials, price ranging from 649 to 1549. All these products will be available in our website needle.com from 12 noon today. You can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Products ordered today will be shipped on 25th October and tracking details will be shared to your mail ID in SMS on 26th October. Please order accordingly. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting we use for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is fancy jacquard silk cotton fabric. The fabric has self-checkered design. It has a beautiful yoke with bullion rose work. It is also called a spring work. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a beautiful combination, navy blue with pink combination in fancy jacquard silk cotton fabric. The fabric has shine and it has self-checkered design, self-design on it, and this is the yoke part with beautiful embroidery work done with colorful thread work. It's a navy blue, dark navy blue shade, but in the video it might appear too bright. It's dark navy blue with pink combination. We have pink silk cotton bottom for this, and dupatta is also in fancy silk cotton with all over thread work. So this is the dupatta for this in fancy silk cotton, and tapings has to be done for the edges. So this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1349 and we do free shipping all over India. We have 4 different color combinations in this. All these are new festive collection. We'll quickly take a look at the other colors. So the next color is bottle green with maroon combination. Silk cotton bottom in maroon and dupatta in fancy silk cotton with embroidery work. Priced at 1349. The next color is dark beetroot purple with blue combination. The embroidery has an embossed effect which gives a beautiful look for the material. So we have blue silk cotton bottom and light blue silk cotton dupatta with embroidery. You can buy all these products directly from our website needle.com from 12 noon today. And this is the next set. It's maroon with honey brown combination. Dark honey brown combination. It's kind of reddish maroon. We have silk cotton bottom for this and fancy silk cotton dupatta with tassels. So totally we have 4 colors in this. Sorry, let us see the next beautiful dress material. The fabric is fancy silk cotton fabric. So this is the front side of the top. We have heavy thread and sequence work which gives a neat finish look. It's a festive wear set and all these are tiny sequins. It's a party wear set, a very elegant set. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's kind of two-toned. It is dual shaded. We have pink here and the lower part is dark beetroot purple, and we have heavy thread and sequence work done. You can take a closer view of the work. All these are thread work and sequence work neatly done. You can also make this as a yoke part or purple as per your convenience, and it is dark purple at the plain back. The fabric is very soft and silky fabric, so lining is needed. It is in silk cotton fabric. The fabric is silk cotton which is little shine. We have matching santoon bottom for this in dark purple color. The fabric will be slightly coarse and we have dual shaded soft silk cotton dupatta which also has tiny sequence work done. We also have simple weaving pattern and tiny sequence work. The sequins are weaved along with the fabric which gives a neat finish, and this is the dupatta for this. It's a dual shaded dupatta. Pink with purple combination. This is how the complete set looks. We have 7 different color combinations in this. Now sequence work are in trend now. The cost of the set is 1349. We'll quickly take a look at the other color combinations. The next is light beige with brown. We have dark brown santoon bottom and dual shaded dupatta. Next is maroon with peach combination. I'm sorry, the peach comes in the yoke and the maroon part in the lower part of the top. We have matching maroon santoon bottom, and this is the dupatta for this dual shaded dupatta. All these are priced at 1349. Next is light grey with navy blue. We have blue santoon bottom and dual shaded dupatta. All these are new collection for Diwali. You can place your order directly from our website. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Every day we post new collections. So this is the next color. It's navy blue and turquoise green combination. Matching santoon bottom and dual shaded silk cotton dupatta. The next is red with black combination. You can take a closer view of the work. It has a heavy thread and sequence work done throughout the fabric. A beautiful festive wear set. Matching black santoon bottom for this and dual shaded dupatta. Next we have pink with black combination. We have black santoon bottom and dual shaded dupatta. It's pink with black combination. All these sets are priced at 1349. Next we are going to see bandhani dress materials in pure cotton. We have restocked this material again on customer's request, and this black portion comes in the panel, and we have tie and dye work highlighted with foam mirror work and thread embroidery. Let us see how the complete set looks and tie and dye concept. So this work comes in the panel. We also have small foam mirror work done on the front side of the top, and we have designs even at the back. We have shibori and tie and dye design. We have the fabric is pure cotton, a soft fabric, and this is the bottom, which is shibori dyed, and mulk cotton dupatta. It's a pure cotton dupatta with zari lines. It's a colorful shibori dyed pure cotton dupatta, and this is the design for the dupatta. The cost of the set is 999. There might be color variation in the video, so please refer the picture posted in our website. We have 5 different colors in this. So this is the next shade. The sand brown comes in the panel. We have shibori dyed bottom and shibori dyed mulk cotton dupatta with zari lines. All these sets are priced at 999. The next we have dark mossy green that comes in the panel, and this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta for this. All these are soft pure cotton materials. The next is in dark maroon that comes in the panel, which has beautiful work. Cotton bottom in shibori dyed, and this is a dupatta in pure cotton with zari lines. You can place your order directly from our website today from 12 noon onwards, and we have bottle green in the panel, shibori dyed pure cotton bottom and shibori dyed dupatta with zari lines. All these are priced at 999 free shipping. Next we are going to see a beautiful designer set. We have restocked this design as well. The fabric is slub silk cotton in blue color, which has geometric design. In all these are thread woven with simple yoke and fancy buttons. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a single color concept in slub silk cotton. The fabric needs lining. So we have thread woven design all over the front as well as at the back. We have red silk cotton bottom for this, and this is a dupatta in fancy soft silk cotton which has colorful embroidery all over the dupatta. The fabric of the dupatta is very soft and it has self design on it in pure cotton with thin zari lines on both the sides. It's a single color. The cost of the set is 1549. Next, it's our all-time favorite Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton dress materials with batik prints on it in leafy pattern in pepper black with beetroot purple combination. The fabric will be slightly coarse. It is little shine as well. So this leafy pattern comes on the front side with batik border, and we have print even at the back. It is teamed with dark purple bottom and dual shaded dupatta which has wax batik print on it, and this is how the dupatta looks. It's purple with pepper black combination. We have 4 different color combinations in the same design. All these are priced at 949 and we do free shipping all over India. We'll quickly take a look at the other color combinations, and all these will be in sober color. The sober turquoise green with fenugreek yellow combination, and this is the bottom which also has print in the lower part of the bottom, and this is a jewel shaded dupatta. There might be color variation in the video. Please refer the picture posted in our website. Description for each and every product is given. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp us to 74011-84012. So this is the next shade. It's maroon with blue combination. And this is the bottom. All these are fabric is Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton fabric. It will be slightly coarse and it is shiny as well. So this is the combination. Third combination. The next one is fenugreek yellow, dark fenugreek yellow with turquoise green with same print what we saw now, and this is the bottom with leafy batik print and dual shaded dupatta. All these sets are priced at 949. Let us see the next set. The fabric is pure cotton which has original wax batik in floral pattern, and all these are thread embroidery work. You can take a closer view. All these are thread work done in the front side of the top in dark navy blue with turquoise green combination. The fabric is very soft and skin friendly in pure cotton in dark navy blue shade. The front side we have a satin. It's a kind of satin cotton, a very soft fabric with original wax batik and embroidery work done on the front side. We have simple batik floral pattern at the back as well. It is teamed with soft cotton in turquoise green and dupatta in pure chiffon which also has wax batik dyed on it. And this is the dupatta for this in chiffon fabric, and tapings has to be done for the edges. The cost of the set is 1199. It is a single color concept. This is a new design in black, all-time favorite. The fabric is modal fabric, a very soft fabric, and this is the yoke part with zari thread work and fancy buttons. It has geometric prints on it. It's black with maroon combination. A very beautiful combination. The fabric is very smooth and soft fabric. And this is a simple yoke part with zari thread work. And we have geometric prints all over. In the daman we have simple gota lace work. The fabric is smooth and soft. It is not transparent, so lining is optional. We have maroon cotton bottom for this, and dupatta in chiffon, which is also printed, and tapings are provided. So there might be color variation in the video, so please refer the picture posted. If you have any queries, you please WhatsApp us before placing your order. So this is how the complete set looks. The fabric is chiffon dupatta. The cost of the set is 1149. And this is the next set with beautiful color combination in light turquoise green with simple yoke with fancy buttons highlighted with gota lace work. The fabric is rayon, which is very soft and flowy fabric with beautiful prints on it. We also have golden prints, which adds beauty to the set. The same print at the back. And simple gota lace work in the daman. It is teamed with light fenugreek yellow cotton bottom, and dupatta dual shaded chiffon dupatta, which has embossed foil work as well, and tapings are provided. It's a single color concept, and this is how the dupatta looks. A very beautiful pastel shades. The cost of the set is 1249. Next we are going to see a regular wear dress material, apt for daily use, regular use. The fabric is soft, thin, pure cotton fabric, which has ikat prints on it. It's a black and white combination. So this ikat prints comes all over the top. We have printed cotton bottom and mull cotton dupatta, which has zigzag prints on it. The cost of the set is 649, and the top needs lining as the material is thin. The next is also a daily wear dress material in pure cotton fabric, which has ikat prints on it. The fabric is very soft and thin, so lining is needed for the top. We have thin cotton bottom, it's a printed one, and mull cotton dupatta, which is also printed. The cost of the set is 649, free shipping. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.